Here I have KIANO Elegance 4.0 and let me show you how to remove the battery from the following device. So let me show you how to open the back cover and how to force the restart on KIANO Elegance. It's especially useful when your device is frozen or just hangs. So at the very beginning, if it's possible, you can switch off your device. Let's press power key, tap power off and tap OK to confirm it. And afterwards let's open the back cover. So let's find the special cavity. The cavity should be located at the bottom of the screen right here. You should use, for example, this corner to open the whole thing. Let's use your nail finger, and right now you've got access to your battery. So let's remove the battery, as simple as that. And let's just say that you would like to reset your device. So let's remove your battery for about 5 to 10 seconds and then let's put it back in exactly the same way. So let me put my battery, as simple as that. Let me close the back cover protection, and right now let me simply switch on the device by holding a power key. The KIANO Elegance is turning on. Let's wait a few seconds. Excellent. As you can see right now, you can use your device. So the device is in normal mode, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.